Bougainvillea, stop planting it directly in a flower pot. Learn this simple trick, and in less than half a year, you'll grow a tall, elegant old tree bonsai, with its value rising rapidly. I wouldn't sell it for any price. Remember to like and save it. If you learn it, you've gained something. The method is very simple. Find a bougainvillea planted in a plastic flower pot, cut off the bottom of the pot, then prepare a larger pot, fill it with soil, and place the bougainvillea directly into it. Firmly pack the soil around it and water it thoroughly. During the care process, use plenty of water and fertilizer, and trim the branches and leaves regularly to help it grow a strong trunk and root system. After a few months, cut open the plastic pot, remove the soil, and you'll have a uniquely styled bougainvillea with exposed roots. Did you get it? Don't forget to follow me after reading this. Your support is my biggest motivation to keep sharing. The next practical flower care tip is being carefully prepared. Let's not miss it.